How to use Axon Trucking Software. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Welcome to my Axon Trucking Software review and tutorial. Managing a trucking business involves juggling dispatching, accounting, fleet maintenance, and compliance reporting. And that's where a software by the name of Axon Trucking will shine. But is Axon Trucking Software the best software for you? Well, after watching this tutorial, you'll know, as I'll be looking at Axon's features, use cases, pros and cons, and user reviews and pricing to help you make an informed decision. First, what is Axon Trucking Software and how does it work? Axon Trucking Software is a fully integrated real-time system that combines dispatch operations with accounting functions, eliminating duplicate data entry and providing up-to-date information across your organization. Its core features include dispatch and order management. So with this feature, you'll be able to streamline the assignment and trucking of loads, offering real-time updates on driver, location, and load status. It also offers accounting and integration features. So with this feature, you'll be able to combine invoicing, accounts receivable or payable, and general ledger functionality, ensuring financial data is always current. And they also have a fleet maintenance feature. With this, you'll be able to monitor vehicle maintenance schedules and records, helping to prevent costly breakdowns and ensure compliance. And in addition, they offer IFTA reporting. With IFTA reporting, you will be able to automate fuel tax reporting by tracking mileage and fuel purchases, simplifying compliance with the International Fuel Tax Agreement. And next, they offer a driver settlements and payroll option. With this option, you'll be able to calculate driver pay based on mileage, percentage, or hourly rates, and manage deductions and advances. It also offers equipment tracking, so you'll be able to keep tabs on equipment usage and location, aiding in asset management and utilization. Now that you know about the different features of Axon, the next thing we'll be exploring is their use cases. So who is Axon Trucking for? Axon is tailored for trucking companies of various sizes, including freight haulers, so it will help with managing full truckload and less than truckload operations. And it is also good for oil field trucking services, as it can handle specialized transportation needs in the oil and gas sector. And it is also a good option for brokers, coordinating between shippers and carriers to optimize load assignments. And last but definitely not least, aggregated haulers, so transporting bulk materials like sand, gravel, and stone. Overall, its comprehensive features make it suitable for businesses aiming to integrate their operations, reduce manual data entry, and gain real-time insights into their performance. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons when it comes onto Axon Trucking Software. For instance, their real-time integration will help to eliminate duplicate data entry and ensure all departments have access to the latest information. Not only is it user-friendly, as you can see right here based on persons' comments that are using it or have used it, but they also offer reliable customer support, so users have praised Axon responsiveness and helpful support team. Now let's talk about a few pullbacks. First, the complex setup. With their extensive set of features and customization options, it can lead to a complex initial setup process. It also has limited integration with third-party tools. So for example, while comprehensive, Axon integration with other software solutions may be limited, potentially requiring manual data transfers. And when it comes on to pricing, some users have found that Axon may be on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, which might be a consideration for smaller companies. Now let's talk about user reviews and ratings. Based on my research, users on G2 have given Axon a positive ratings, and also Capterra, they do have a positive ratings. And if we were to talk about pricing and plans, Axon does not publicly disclose its pricing, although I was searching, as costs vary based on the size of your operations based on what I have understand. So it depends on the specific modules that you request based on the size of your company. So prospective users are encouraged to contact Axon directly for a personalized quote. Keep in mind that while the initial investment may be substantial, the potential for increased efficiency and reduced administrative workload can offer a significant return on investment over time. So in conclusion, is Axon Trucking Software worth it? For trucking companies seeking an all-in-one solution that integrates dispatch, accounting, maintenance, and compliance into a single platform, Axon Trucking Software presents a compelling option. Its real-time data, synchronization, and comprehensive feature set can lead to improved operational efficiency and profitability. However, it's essential to weigh the cost that you'll be paying and the potential complexity against the benefits. Smaller companies or those with similar operational needs might find Axon's extensive features and pricing beyond their requirements. In such cases, exploring other options or discussing tailored options with Axon can be beneficial. What are your thoughts on Axon Trucking Software? And do you plan on using them or have you used them in the past? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.